In today's video, we will try to learn how to create stock items. For this, we will go with create, then select stock item under inventory masters, then put the name of stock item like shirt. Then the under will be the garments because shirt is a garment. Then category it's for gents. Then unit will be pieces. Quantity I can add 60. Godown I can select Godown, any of my Godowns. I want to select Kolkata. The rate will be 500. Accept yes. Another one like shari. It's also a garment. It's for ladies. Its pieces. Quantity maybe 70. Godown I want to select Dom Dom. Rate I want to select 700. Accept yes. I want another like shoot for kids. It will be garments. Then it will be kids pieces like 50. Dum dum. Rate 550 rupees. Press enter. Now I want to see what I just created. For this, press escape button. Come to gateway of tally. Then go with display more reports. Then select inventory books. Then select stock item. I can see these stock items. If I will press enter here, I can see the actual pieces and amount 70. Okay. Thanks for watching.